doing there, Trevor?
I'm scooping it up with my hands like a bear.
What is it?
The seeds and the roots. The milk.
Ooh.
I could yeah. How about
This nice pumpkin Kawan gave us. Our housekeeper found that. Otherwise, we had these guys. Cute little squash. But they're pumpkin.
Yeah, they look like peanuts.
They do kind of look like peanuts.
My teacher.
Dylan's making ghosts for his class. Show us a ghost. Oops. We have to go kind of gentle. That's okay. We'll fix it.
Roast and killed goat. Killed goat. Killed goat.
Here's the finished product.
Killed goat. On a
For
Scooby-Doo
class.
movie where Scooby basketball.
Yeah, I think that's all the seeds.
I'm just going to look on the dirt.
On the dirt. If we have to cross the street, it might be muddy. What are you guys doing today? Yeah. And who are you?
Leonardo.
Who are you? All right. Look at those muscles. We'll see you at the parade, okay? We're just waiting for the bus.
Yeah. Hi. Okay. Hey, Trevor. Hey, buddy. It's a coin, right? You gotta find that coin. I think so.
All right, Dylan. Very clever.
Attaboy. Good job, bud. Trevor, you gonna do it? You gonna do it? Pound it. Well, you got to get to the end of the line. Dylan. Good job. A little higher, a little higher. Look at him, balancing it out. Oh,
good job, buddy.
Good job. Wait, Dylan.
We're going to split.
Wait, Dylan.
Wait. Oh.